With deepfakes becoming better and better and generative AI being able to automatically create social media content, it made me ask a pretty crazy question. Can I deepfake myself and use AI to go viral on social media? I actually did it. I deepfaked myself, and the first video that I posted actually went viral, and it has over 1 million views on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. But the craziest part is that people didn't actually realize that it was fake, and they left all kinds of crazy comments asking, why didn't I do this if I was so sure that the deepfake would work? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I deepfake myself if you're interested in doing that, how I actually developed a strategy to go viral with that deepfake, and another secret website of how you can actually take that deepfake and create viral video scripts. So you can do this over and over and over again. So make sure you watch this whole video so you don't miss out on any key moments. Let's jump in. So the website I used here to deepfake myself is called HeyGen.com. So what you can do is go to the bottom of this website and click on their custom avatar section, and it'll show you how you can create your own custom avatar here. I'm gonna walk through it with you. There's two options here. There's the custom avatar light, which I actually did. It lets you just record a webcam video of yourself. It's really simple to do. The other is a lot more money. It's $1,000 a year, and it requires studio level recording here. Honestly, the fake one is so good. I'm going to show you what mine looks like just from doing the webcam one. It's going to blow you away. I don't think you need to pay the full $1,000. So this is what my deepfake avatar looks like if you're curious. It actually cloned my voice as well. And so after you're signed into HeyGen, if you want to create the deepfake version of yourself, you just click on Record Avatar Light. And it'll give you some suggestions here. So a 1080p recording. And you can do this with your webcam set up. You can upload 2 minutes plus or 3 minutes plus of an external recording as well. That'll be actually a little bit higher quality. So if your webcam's not that good, you have a much better quality camera, you can just record yourself talking in the setting that you want for like 3 minutes. And that's good enough. You can just upload that. Let's kind of walk through this process here. So we can do quiet environment here. Make sure you have good lighting. Then just click on Create New. And it's going to ask you for a consent. So this is a really important aspect of this deepfake technology. So firstly, it's only going to be accessible on your account. Nobody else is going to have access to your avatar. They can't simulate you. They can't do anything. So don't worry about that. Only you will have access to this. With that said, you have to consent that you give them the ability and the permission to create a deepfake version of you. You have to record this, or you can, of course, just upload the consent video directly here as well. I, Austin Armstrong, hereby declare that I authorize HeyGen to use the footage of me to build HeyGen avatar and use it in my HeyGen account. So it goes through that, complete recording, and then you go through next, and then it actually gives you some recording instructions. Now, this is where it's really simple. You can either upload a recording of yourself. You've already recorded it. You can use a past recording too if you're in a one location with minimal distractions, minimal bad audio and whatnot, or you can actually go through their process and record yourself through their system. It's really simple to do. It takes about 3 to 5 business days for it to actually process. Then you'll see it automatically pop up in your account. Then you can have some fun with it. So a couple of months ago, I made this video with the exact same script where I show how to deepfake yourself using artificial intelligence for unlimited social media, which is actually kind of crazy. It looks just like me. There's some like subtle little face movements and stuff. And so all I did to use that deepfake to go viral on social media was literally copy the script of one of my other viral videos. And I just swapped myself out with the deepfake. And it did pretty well. It did about 160,000 views on TikTok. It was a pretty good hit. And I actually got a lot of comments on this video saying, why didn't you do it in this video? Please show me an example, and tons others. And so that's exactly what I did. I literally copied the same script word for word and I remade the video with my deepfake. And it did better than the video with me. I don't advocate for copying other people's videos online. You can kind of take a model that works and tweak it a little bit, tweak the script a little bit, or take one of your own viral videos or videos that performed really well and redo it. with AI and swap a view and see if that performs really well. You can look up videos in your industry, in your niche, that performed well. Don't copy word for word, that's not cool. But then use the deepfake and make that video. But if you stack that with this next website that I'm gonna share, it's gonna show you unlimited content ideas and make you unlimited video scripts that you can use for that deepfake to basically automate your entire video marketing journey. Check this out. So the website is syllabi.io. Now, full disclaimer, yes, this is my website. I own this website. I self-funded this website, but I've created something with my amazing team of developers to make something that's really helpful for you. So let me show you how Syllabi works and how you can use it to automate your entire social media video marketing strategy with your deepfake. So you can type in anything related to whatever industry that you're in here, and it's going to show you the top questions that your customers are searching for. Let's say, for instance, you're a realtor in Dallas, Texas. You can type something in like house, Dallas, Texas, and you're targeting new home buyers. It's going to show you all of the questions that people are searching for online around house, Dallas, Texas. So questions like, do houses in Dallas, Texas have basements? You could create a video on that. People are searching for that information. Same thing with, how is the housing market in Dallas, Texas? How much are houses in Dallas, Texas? How to apply for Section 8 housing in Dallas, Texas, if that's your audience. And then with AI, all you need to do is click on AI outline. It'll automatically create an outline for you around that question. It'll generate a video script for you if you want 30 or 60 seconds or a 2-minute or a 5-minute script. And then all you need to do is copy this script, take it over to HeyGen where you have your deepfake of yourself, click on create video, and you can do a YouTube video here or a TikTok video, vertical video, YouTube short. Your avatar will be live in the avatar light section, so you can just click on your avatar there. It'll fit it to the screen. And now all you need to do is paste in that script. If you did the avatar for yourself and you selected the voice cloning as well, you can select this and then select your own voice. We could sample it, then just click on submit. And here's what the final product looks like.
Welcome to the world of Dallas, Texas houses. Ever wondered why most houses in Dallas don't have basements? Well, here's why.
This technology is getting absolutely wild, y'all. And if you want to learn how to make money using AI, click on this video here, and I'll see you there.